step, you're going to use both your hands and go up above you like this and touch them up here, straight and flat, and then slowly bring them down. And when you bring them down, you want to lead the backs of your hands to go on your hips like this, and you want to slowly turn a little bit towards the left direction, but a little bit diagonal, not completely to the side. And then you're going to put your left foot out on your heel, but while you do this, you're going to put your hands up. So you're going to put your right hand up and your left hand up to the side at the same time like this, with your left heel going to the side right here. So if you put that all together, you're going to go up, down, slowly turn into the side like this. And then you're going to use your right hand and you're going to just kind of make this wave-like motion. When you do this, you're just going to put your left foot out like slowly with your hand like this, and you're going to kind of shift your whole body towards that direction. So you're going to go 1, switch to left side, 2, and your other hand will be on your hip when you do this. And then you repeat that one more time. So 1 and 2 again. So in total, you do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to use your thumb, your pointer, and your middle finger like this. And you're going to go outwards with your pinky closest to you on both sides and your pointer finger furthest away. And you're going to put your left arm up when you do this to the side. And then your right arm down on the side as well, on your other side. So you're going to go 1, bring it back. And when you're doing that 1, you're taking a step with your left. So 1, now with your right in the left direction. And then you're going to do that same thing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go back that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time opposite sides are going up. So right is going up, left is going down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to drop your hands and you're going to face diagonally to the left a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to drop your hands like this. Just kind of move back and forth with your hips. And then you're going to kind of make this like circular motion with your right foot, and you're going to go counterclockwise. And when you do this, you're going to bring your hand with you, but your hand's going to come up, and you're just going to put this, your thumb and your pointer finger, and you're going to move your hips. So you're going to go like this, and that's when your hand comes up. And then you're going to step forward with your right foot, but you're going to step diagonally to the left direction, but it's still going forward. So you're going to go 1, step over with your left, 2, step over with your right, 3, step over with your left, 4, and you should be facing diagonally to the right now. And then what you're going to do from here, you're going to use your left hand and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically you're only doing it twice. 1, 2, then you're going to turn, crossing over with your right foot in the left direction. And then do it 2 more times on this side. 1, 2. Then you're going to drop your hands again. I'm just going to scoot back, but you would stay there. And you're going to repeat that same part one more time, dropping your hands and your hips. And then you're going to make that circular motion like this. And you're going to go 1, 2. And when you're taking these steps, you kind of want to bounce a little. 3 and 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just ended here, and what you're going to do is you're going to make the same motion again, but you're going to bring it down and around and turn. So you're just facing this way left, you're going to bring it down, you're going to come to the right direction, and you're going to grab onto your dress with your left hand if you are wearing a dress, and you're just going to make that motion of popping your hips, and you're going to turn back this direction. Do it again, turn back this direction, and then turn back this direction again. So eventually 4 times. And then from here, you're gonna cross over your hands like this, making like a snake-like motion until they're above you. Then you're just gonna twirl them down both at the same time. So again, going across. You wanna make sure they're crossing each other. You don't wanna be like this. You want them to cross, going back and forth, then twirling them down, and then you repeat that same steps we learned earlier. Drop your hips, face the left, move your hands, and then go 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go 1, 2, and when you do that, your hand would be up. So you just dropped your hips, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time you're not gonna repeat it again, and your hands are just gonna come back here. You're gonna open them up and bring them back. But when you do this, you're gonna take a step to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right, to the left, 3, 4, to the right, 3, 4. So one more time, go left, right, right, left, and then you're gonna go up with your right first. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and then you're gonna bring it back here and repeat that steps one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this time you're gonna do that same thing, but you're gonna come forward instead of going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're just gonna end on this pose, and you're all done.